guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a very budget-friendly DIY. It's more of a, I'm not actually making anything, I'm just making an arrangement. So I'm not gluing or anything like that. I just want to show you a simple way that you can use dollar store greenery and florals to make a beautiful spring arrangement. So come along. So here are some of the items that I will be using for this floral arrangement. I'm gonna show you some the new items that I have picked up, and then I'm just gonna show you the rest of the stuff. So I have picked up this bin from Dollarama. It was $4, and everything that I'm using for this arrangement had either come from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Majority of the stuff came from Dollarama because I absolutely love Dollarama's florals. They are really good. I think they really up their game. I think Dollar Tree is getting there, but Dollarama definitely still is ahead of the game when it comes to florals. So this, like I said, came from Dollarama, so it's very similar. Let me just show you. Now I had done some work to this one, but this is the one that comes from Dollar Tree. So just the size comparison. So this one was from Dollarama, and I love everything about it. I do not want to really do anything to it, like that it's kind of French provincial looking a little bit with coastal flair, I guess, but so I'm keeping this the way it is. This is just a foam that I've had, comes from Dollar Tree. And then again, if you have been watching my spring decors, this is Baby's Breath, and this is from Dollarama. It is $1.50. And then I have picked up these from Dollarama for $1.25, and I have them in white and yellow. Actually, a friend of mine picked these up for me. And then I also picked up these. They are the peonies, and these were $3 each, which is a little bit steep, but comparing to Michael's, they're still pretty good price, and they're really nice looking on the inside too. And I like these ones, so I'll be separating these. And then some of the items that I've had on hand is this lavender that I might be using, and just different florals from different projects that I've used last year, kind of keep them all together. I'm also have some of these which are from Dollar Tree, and then more stuff here, more greenery, more green than flowery to fill in. So the first thing that I like to do is start with my biggest items that I'm going to be adding to here. I am doing this on the floor because I needed more space than what my table could provide me, and I thought this would be best to do on the floor. So I'm going to start with the biggest item, which are these big peonies. So I'm going to take one at least and make it a focal point, and then work around it. So I have my little shears, hopefully they work, to cut this. So that's gonna be my main focal point, and I'm going to fill it in. So I'm actually going to use some of these. They had come from a long time ago. I don't even know where that dollar store doesn't exist anymore, but I've had them for many years. So that's that, and now I'm going to just add a couple smaller pieces in here, and I'm thinking I might go with these. Now this one, the way I cut it, I wasn't thinking, so it is a little bit short. So what I'm thinking I might do is attach it to this stem that I have left over from the white flowers with some floral wire, just to make it a little bit longer so I can stick it in there. And my floral wire had come from Dollar Tree. Because I change up my decor seasonally and I'm always redecorating an area, if I don't have to, I prefer not to spend obscene amounts of money on my decor, especially floral items, things that I will be cutting and making it into something else. I know that sometimes it's unavoidable and you simply can't do it with stuff from the dollar store, but if I can, I definitely will do it from the dollar store or from the if I can, even from a thrift store. I never throw out any pieces of greenery that I cut up, because you never know what you might use it for. So now I'm pretty much just trying to add a little bit of height and some fillers. And I'm going to add some of this, a little bit more greenery to it, like the green foliage. That I love the baby's breath in there. Maybe I'll see if I can do something different to fill it in. That's the nice thing about this, because I'm not gluing it or anything like that, because I want to reuse it for something else, maybe a different arrangement in the summer. I like to be able to change stuff around. I'm gonna try these peonies. These came from Dollar Tree. I had bought them for a different project, but I think they will look really good in here, I hope. So I think I am happy with the way this turned out. I will show you what it looks like in my decor. So here it is. I think it looks really nice, and you can even keep it out for summertime if you wish so. But I love decorating with peonies and lavenders and lots of greenery for the green foliage for this spring. I just think it brings in life to my decor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and a notification bell. I do lots of DIY type of videos, and I'm hoping to have a related blog post link down below as well. So make sure you check out that one on the post as well. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely head on over there and give me a follow. I post all of my daily doings and happenings and pictures and all sorts of stuff. So it might be something that you'd be interested in. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.